Neeti was going to school, and at that point in time, she asked her mother if she can have some money. Her mother asked, "Why do you need money?" She said that she wants to have some golgappas. Now, her mother said that you should not have roadside golgappas. Neeti was confused. Why can I not have roadside golgappas? They are so delicious. Well, her mother said that if you have roadside golgappas, there is a very high chance that you may fall ill. Well, it is quite possible that the roadside vendor is using water that is polluted. And if you have that water, what will happen? Well, you may fall ill or you may have a severe stomachache. So that may be a problem. So Neeti asked that I always have water at home and I never fall sick. So what is so different in that water? Well, her mother explained that the water which the vendor may use, and if it is polluted, it basically has certain substances which are not good for our body. And if you drink that water, you will fall ill. So you see this glass of water, does it look clean at all? No. And if you have this water, what will happen? Well, it contains lots of different impurities and germs which will go inside your body and you may fall ill. And what will happen? Well, if you fall ill, you may contract such diseases: typhoid, diarrhea, cholera. So, if you have impure water, then you may suffer from all these diseases. Now, what happens when you are suffering from, say, diarrhea? Well, when a person suffers from diarrhea, they have the urge to vomit all the time, and they also have to go to washroom again and again, and as a result their body loses a lot of water. So whenever you see somebody suffering from diarrhea, the first thing you need to do is you need to give them lots of water and salt water. Why is it so important? Because when you're suffering from diarrhea, your body loses a lot of water. Now, water is very important for our survival, and many of our body functions require water. So, when you provide enough water to the person, then the person is able to recover very quickly. So, first thing which you need to do is, when somebody is suffering from diarrhea, provide them with lots of water. So, you see, water is very important for all of us. And if you drink pure water, then you will save yourself from all such troubles. Now the question arises that if water is not murky looking and is very clean looking, so is it fit for drinking? Not really. Well, even in a glass of water which looks very clean, you can find many different types of germs which are not visible to a naked eye, but they still are there in the water. So just because you have a clean glass of water in front of you doesn't mean that it is actually clean. It may contain many harmful germs inside it which are not visible to our eyes. So it's very important that the water is properly cleaned and purified. Only then it is fit for drinking. Just clear looking water may not be that clear or that clean. So you have a glass of water in front of you which looks clean. Can you be sure that it is fit for drinking? What do you think? Well, the answer is no. You cannot be sure of the purity of water just by looking at it. It may look clean, but it may contain lots of germs. So it's very important that you make sure that the water is properly filtered. Only when the water is coming out of a filter, then it is completely free of germs and you can have it without any worries. So just clear looking water may not be very clean. Now the question arises, where does this impure water or polluted water come from? Well, wherever you get your water from, eventually it comes from the natural sources of water. that is ponds, lakes and rivers. Now, these ponds, lakes and rivers may themselves be polluted because people throw a lot of garbage in the natural sources of water and the water gets polluted. And when this water is supplied to your homes and you drink it without purifying, you may fall ill. So basically this impure water comes from the natural sources of water, that is rivers, lakes and ponds. But how do these natural sources of water get polluted? Well, that's because people perform a variety of activities in the natural sources of water. For example, they wash their clothes in the natural source of water. As a result, all that impure water remains in that natural source of water. Also, people bathe in that water. So again, you are adding impurities to it by all these different activities. And because of these activities, the water gets polluted. And when this water will be supplied to you, you will also get polluted water. Now, you must be thinking that the water which is supplied to your home doesn't look that dirty. That's because the water which is supplied to our homes passes through many filtration stages. So, the water is extracted from the river and then it goes through different pumps and filters and finally it comes to your home. So, it does not contain many different impurities which are there in the natural sources of water. But still, it is not fit for drinking. It looks clean. That is, you can use that water for washing and bathing. But when it comes to drinking, it has to be very, very pure. So, filtering that water is also very important. And how do you filter that water? Well, you must have seen such advertisements in the television. Well, what do you see in those? You see different types of water purifiers. And what do? Well, they filter the water and make it clean for drinking. Now, this is a water purifier which is usually installed in our homes. Now, using such water purifiers, you purify the water which is supplied to your home and then you drink that water. And that water is pure water because it has been cleaned off all the impurities and germs which were originally in it. So this is what you will call pure water and this is fit for drinking. Now, what if you don't have access to a water purifier? For example, you go to a picnic or you go to some place where there is no water filter. Well, in that case, so what you need to do first is that you need to pass the water through a piece of cloth. Once you do that, then different types of impurities, that is larger impurities which you can see using your eyes, well, the water will be free of those impurities. And once you have that water which is free of the larger impurities, then you can boil it. Once you boil it, then all the different types of germs which are not visible to the naked eye, even that will be removed from water. And then you can have this water once you cool it down. So this will become pure water which you can drink, that is fit for drinking. So if you don't have a water filter, you need to first of all filter it and then boil that water, and then it is pure water that is fit for drinking. So you see, these are 2 glasses of water. Now this is a glass of impure water which you can clearly see, while this is a glass of clean looking water. But again, this may not be very clean because it may contain germs which are not visible to the naked eye. So definitely you can use this water for different purposes such as washing and bathing. But when it comes to drinking, you need to make sure that it has passed through a water filter and only then it will be fit for drinking. Now, clean water is very important for all of us because only when we drink clean water or pure water, we will be free from all the different types of diseases which impure water can cause. So whenever you drink water, you should filter it properly, and when you are sure that it is pure water, you should drink it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.